The International Monetary Fund says global economic output is expected to be around 3% lower in 2024 than the projections it made before the pandemic. However, it says the medium-term impact won't be as severe as the global financial crisis. Seung-jae with more.
In a blog post on its updated World Economic Outlook Wednesday, the IMF said global economic output is expected to be about 3% lower in 2024 than the amount it was forecasting before the COVID-19 pandemic hit. That said, it stressed the pandemic's medium-term impact won't be as bad as the carnage caused by the global financial crisis of 2008-2009. Despite this, the IMF says prospects for scarring remain substantial, even though systemic financial stress and prolonged damage have largely been mitigated due to the unprecedented measures taken. The IMF added the path to recovery remains challenging, especially for countries with limited fiscal resources. The IMF expects emerging markets and developing economies to be most impacted, with losses expected to be the most significant in low-income countries. It said economies more reliant on tourism or have a bigger share of high-contact sectors such as restaurants and retail trade will suffer more persistent losses. The impact of the pandemic could also leave a bigger shock on the labor market over the medium and longer term, as high-contact sectors may never fully recover. The IMF also warned that productivity could be negatively impacted by a decline in competition if dominant firms become even more entrenched and further increase their market power. The full World Economic Outlook and the IMF's updated growth projections will be released on April 6th. Seung-jae, Arirang News.
Civilian lawmakers in Myanmar will form a national unity government and hold online meetings about jointly resisting the military. According to the international envoy of the civilian government's representative body, an interim federal constitution has been drafted with both ethnic and civil society groups. He added there are plans for a federal army to replace the current military. He also warned that if the international community fails to take action, a civil war is likely to break out in Myanmar. The United States has said that Hong Kong remains undeserving of special treatment under U.S. law and is no longer autonomous. The U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken reaffirmed the determination first made last year by the Trump administration. He said Hong Kong does not warrant the differential treatment that it enjoyed before it was returned to Chinese control in 1997, adding that China has severely undermined the rights and freedoms of people in Hong Kong. Local media outlets reported that this is an indication that the Biden administration has not strayed from the hard line against China that the previous Trump administration had adopted.